I am the small axe, sharp and ready, ready to cut you down. Me, I go cut them down.
Let them know.
Comrades, as we prepare for victory, I am committed to be with you, to walk the hills, the valleys, house to house, yard to yard, lane to lane, street by street, because victory is a must. Comrades, I am confident that with you, the workers, guiding me, it will happen. It will happen. I want to ask you all to help each other. Although, because I am saying what I'm saying now because of my experience on the walk, I want to ask you all to help and reach out to those comrades who are disaffected for whatever reason. Those not feeling the vibes yet. Comrades, as much as we march to victory, we need all hands on board. We cannot leave anybody behind. We cannot. Hug them up if you want to hug them up. Always remember, we're going to hug up all the people who vex. Forgive each other. Let us work, because I am telling you, we cannot do it without you. You are my best friends. Me not in the hype now. Because see, after tonight, look here, me buy my shoes, I'm already, you know. Me buy my shoes, I'm already, because I go start walk the hills. I start them already, but I'm going to go deeper into the hills, into the valleys. I just want to tell you this. I know that we can do it. I was a principal for this institution. I'm not a new person. I was a principal for this institution. This is an auditorium here. This, we make this 12 years ago. This, 12 years ago we make this. And when the people them say they don't want to come in at the school, they don't want to come in at the school, we build one highway from outer road, come in. See this 7-star general here. Them call it the small highway. Because I said, if we are going to take care of people's children, they must have the best facilities. When me rough them up, you know, I say, I can't go on, you know, I don't want to feel like, you know, because I want good for you guys. I can do it, but I can't do it without your help. I can do it for South St. James, but I want your help. Don't worry about the money, because it will come. Let us put in the hard work right now. Let us put it in. I want you to think about it. When you leave here tonight, you must go home and feel uncomfortable in your bed. You must feel uncomfortable in your bed. If you evaluate the situation and say, boy, we're not working hard enough for it to come, you're not going to be alone, because I will be with you. I will be with you. You know, I went up to a community day before yesterday, and the lady said, are you again? Tell me the name of the community. Remind me, please. When two big step up in the road there. Belfont. And when I go up in a Belfont, you must say, are you again? I say, please remember that, because I got tired of seeing my face. 19 votes in this yard, and I want the whole of them. I know that they have done well in this constituency. I know that you will support me. I feel the vibes. The energy that I feel when I walk around. Look here. I don't want to go back to Kingston. I want to stay here. So. You see, after the 21st, I give up everything else to come right here. So. No more Issa. No more Woolmers. Everything South St. James. Comrades, I am small in name, but large in energy. Knowledge, ideas, love, and passion to transform the constituency. Comrades, I am small, the big axe, ready to cut down the labor rights bid. What me say a while ago? To cut down what kind of bid? Them people a bid. Big enough to cut it down. Comrades, as we go out in the fields, we must be firm and steadfast. The campaign has started. Let us reach out to all our comrades, leave none behind, the undecided voters of all age groups, gender, class, and race. Let us reach out and build a positive relationship. It is important. We have to build positive relationships. We are PNP people, you know. We are PNP people, we have to love one another and build the energy and feed off of each other. Let us reach out and build a positive relationship. Let us tell them why PNP. Tell them why Small. Tell them why Comrade Peter Philip for the next Prime Minister. Tell them why PNP government. Tell them why we must get rid of the uncaring government. Tell them why we must get rid of them. Comrades, the word remains love every time. Let us feel the victory. Are you feeling the victory, comrades? Are you feeling the victory, comrades? Are you feeling the victory, comrades? Let us work together, and I will see you all on the battlefield as we march to victory in South St. James. Thank you, my people. So if you are the big tree, let me tell you that I am the small axe, sharp and ready, ready to cut you down, ready to cut you down.